Pass ke Randy. Pass ke Bastian. Balik ke Randy. Isaac. Jerome for 3. Oh, wala nga. Randy nirebound. Wala din. Bastian. Ayun. 2 points. 2-2. Oh, point guard. Grabe oh, point guard.
N-O-V-E, Rukawa.
Rebound. Sakuragi. Isaac. Gandang pasa. Binali. Grabe. Point guard. Mas JR. Pasa kay Jeff. Balik ke Mas JR. Drive. Same ball.
8 to shoot.
Para maano. 3, 2.
Shot clock. 2 seconds. Shot clock. Mama salit.
Score 4-2. Long time no see. Ay, sinaki. 15 to shoot. Bastian. Pass to Jerome. Sinukat. Wala. Oy, Felix. 2 points. Gandang laban. 4-4. Jerome. Jerome, puka dito siya. Puka dito. Kaya. Isaac.
Sponsor ka, walang problema.
Okay. Phil United ball. Ryan. Pass to Jet. 24. Ay, Felix. Block by Jerome. Ay, sobra. Good ball.
Lakas!
Pasok. Sakuragi. Ay. Rudy. Si Rudy. Crossover. Pass to Jerome. Foul. Number 88. First personal foul, first team foul. Randy. 2 points. Six-4. Backyan. 6 minutes and 10. Felix pass to Sakuragi. May hawak. First foul, number 21. 21, first personal foul, first team foul. 14 to shoot. Number 20.
Talaga naman.
Miyagi.
Ngiti din.
Yung ngiti na yan. 15 to shoot. Si Randy nga. 5 minutes and 30. Ulit kaya. Sayang. Ayan na, si Iron Man. Iron Man. Pwede siya. Takin siya. Uy! Ay, sobra. Uy! Hey, number 16. Uy, gandang pasa. Number 0. Sobra. Si Ryan. Pass to Felix. Felix Loy. Drive. Ay, pinasa pala.
Excuse me po.
Uy! Nice. Wayok. Team Wayok. Score 10-9. Favor of Wayok.
4 minutes and 10.
Yung mga sub, pwede na po mag-sub. Yung gustong mag-sub, pasok lang. Salaman ng... Zero. Ay pa! Uy! Foul number 17. Number 17, first personal foul, second team foul. Zero. Oh, gandang pasa kay si Rudy. Si Rudy, fade away. Wala. Ayun. Mak. Ay. Ay. Wala pa rin. Bastian. Ayun. 0-0. 2 points. Boss JR. Boss JR. Pass to Sakuragi. Bang! 12-11. Randy. Uy! Libre! Boss 16. Si Rudy.
2 minutes and 50. 14-11 score.
Felix. Bam. Maganda laban. Dikit. Ay, nahuli ni Bastian. Felix. Ayun, lawan na. 15-14 in favor of Phil United. Randy. Uy, mabitawan. Isaac. Randy. Pass to Jerome. 4-3. Bam!
One minute and 45.
3 points si Jerome. Ay, nahuli. Uy, nalibre sa ilalim. Uy, nabitawan. Iron Man. Traveling. Okay. Sino pa lang ito? Jet! Pass to Felix.
15 to shoot.
Felix. Ay, nahuli. Ay, good. Uy, binali pa. Basket by Boss Jet. Tabla.
45 seconds.
Ay, Bastian. Bastian. Uy, nice pass.
Oh, running time, running time. 30 seconds.
Bastian.
Wala nang shot left. 20 seconds.
Si Rudy. Ay, sobra.
Nine.
Ay. Okay, wala na. Tabla ang laban. 17 all.
Back to the boogie.
Hindi ko nakakalabas.
Excited.
Dalawang hinga lang, dalawang hinga.
Okay. Wayok, wayok. Okay, wayok, wayok, ball.
Okay, stepping in the line. Sino yung stepping?
Randy.
Si Randy, stepping. Sobra yung sapatos. Ayan, number 22. Sakuragi. Pass to... Ano, number 10. Number 10. Sino yun? Ayan na, Sir Jet. Sir Jet. Uy! Okay, hot ball. Same ball tayo mga sir. Sir Jeff, pass to Randy. Ayun, Bastian, pass to Sir Jeff.
10 to shoot.
Isaac! Uy, lakas mo na. Uy, Sakuragi! Sayang, sayang. Kabila ang bola. Yun! Ganda! Sayang! Ayun, sino? Christian, Bastian. Ayun, sinilip lang. Uy, out of bounds.
Peña to Pelicano. Paso Isaac. Christian. Isaac. Mega before by number 5. That's just 11 Marquez.
Marquez, dribbling ko po. Marquez ngayon. Marquez. Simple. Boundary. 20 shoot. Sub. Twenty shoot. Number 22. Wala rin pa ba jersey number 0, Isaac. Isaac nagmamadali ngayon. Isaac, taas ng jersey number 21, Braga. Braga pull up. Good for 2. Marquez. Number driven by Pelicano, number 22, Pelicano. To Opeña. Opeña. Pass to Isaac. 15 to shoot. Pass to Pelicano. Pelicano. Pass to Christian. Nawala bola. Nakuha ng number 7. Wow. Still by Isaac. Isaac na yun. Isaac. Wow. Good for 2. Playing time. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 22. Dribble the ball, number 22. Shot, no good, number 5. No good. Jersey number 0, Christian. Good for 2. Time out. Philippine United.
Versus Philippine Barbecue.
Remaining time, 6 minutes and 8 seconds. For the second quarter. Score 25-17 in favor of Bisaya Wayok.
For 2.
Back to the building. Twenty-two dribbling the ball. 22 pass to Jose number 11, Marquez. Marquez agad na papasahan. Marquez pass to Jose number 88, Fernandeza. To Jose number 24, Felix. Ebo. Jose number 22, Pelicano. Pass to Jose number 21, Braga. To Jose number 0, Isaac. To Jose number 21, pull up. Lista mo na. Number 88, Fernandeza. Binababa ang bola, pass to
5 minutes and 20.
Jose number 22. To Jose number 24, Felix. Felix, pull up. Good for 2. Score 27-19 in favor of Bisaya Wayok. Remaining time, 5 minutes exactly. Pelicano, pass to Braga. Braga has from Jose number 20 to Jose number 22. Pelicano, nagpapabasahan na kita si Jose number 0, Isaac. Isaac! Wala, mababag Jose number 11, Marquez. To Jose number 8, Fernandeza. Fernandeza. Fernandeza to number 2, pass to Jose number 20. Basket plan. Basket plan for Jose number 0. Good. No shot, number 0, Isaac.
Talaga naman!
Manesa wala. Oy, matawag ng referee. Entry. Jersey number 13. To jersey number 0. Isaac. Isaac ngayon. Isaac side step. Wala. Rebound jersey number 0. Christian. Tatlong foul. Foul on jersey number 88. 8-8. Second personal foul. First team foul. First throw. Jersey number 0. Estrada Christian. Good for one. Second throw. The Estrada Christian. Good for two. Sub. Subdivision. Jersey number 21 out. Jersey number 12 and jersey number 68. Vanessa. Jersey number 88. Losing the ball. Passes jersey number 11. Marquez. Marquez. Wala ba yun? Jersey number 00. Christian Estrada. To Pelicano. It's a traveling violation. Dancing without music. Cha-cha. 8-8 ngayon. To jersey number 24. Felix Stan. Felix pull up. Good for losing the ball. Jersey number 16, Rudy. That's the jersey number 00. Christian Estrada. Foul. Not basket. Ang tawag din natin. Foul on jersey number 11. Blocking foul. First personal foul. Second team foul on jersey number 11. Gonzalez. To 22 Pelicano. Wala. Rebound. My foul. Foul on jersey number 00. Pushing foul by Christian Estrada. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bounding the ball by jersey number 20 to jersey number 88. Vanessa. Pass to jersey number 24. Felix. Jersey number 24. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 22 Pelicano. Pass to jersey number 12. Wala, rebound jersey number 88, Vanessa. To Felix. Felix Roth. Pass to jersey number 11, Marquez. Marquez. Foul on jersey number 00. Sub. Jersey number 00, Christian Estrada. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Marquez. Wala. Iba pa rin na. Naka-88. Wala pa rin. Naka-88 siya between Gonzalez. Gonzalez sa pinabot ang bola. Gonzalez. Inikot. Wala. Jersey number 13. Ang nagdadala ng bola. Mark to Pelicano. Pass to jersey number 16. Rudy. Pop. Wala. Iba pa jersey number 88. Vanessa ngayon. Nagpapasahan, Vanessa. Nakita si jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 11, Marquez. Wala. Iba pa rin wala pa rin. Nasa kanya pa rin, Marquez. Talaga naman.
Iba talaga!
Wala pa rin. Kusarot. Foul on jersey number 27. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution that. Vanessa out. Mark. Tahimik lang coming in. First draw. Good for one. Second draw, Marquez. Good for two. Complete 2 points by Marquez. Number 16. And number 12. Gonzalez. Pass to jersey number 22 Pelicano. To jersey number 27. Wala. Next team jersey number 17. 17. Wala pa ba? 17. Wala pa ba ni Felix? Good for two. Score. 27-22. 29, sorry. Bisaya Rock. Moving on. Foul foul. Foul jersey number 24. Holding foul. First personal foul, third team foul. Remaining time, 51 seconds. Gonzales na yan.
10 to shoot.
Rudy. Personal foul. Foul jersey number 11. Marquez. Pushing foul. Jersey number 11, second personal foul, and warning for a penalty. First throw, jersey number 16, Rudy. Wala. Second throw, jersey number 16, Rudy. Papasok kaya? Pumasok na. Remaining time, 35 seconds. Marquez. Passing to number 22. Position number 24, Felix. Felix pull up. Wala. Rebound to number 22. Number 22, pinalo pa. Wala pa rin. Nakawin to number 22, Pelicano. Foul. Foul to number 20. Blocking foul. Penalty rep. Remaining time, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Penalty. Score 30-27 in favor of Bisaya Rock. First round ni Pelicano. Lucky bounce. Second throw. Papasok kaya? Ay hindi. Pero ako ni Jesse number 27. Salat. Wala. Rebound ni Jesse number 16. Basket at make a foul for foul. Foul on Jesse number 17. Illegal use of hands. One shot by Jesse number 16. Rudy. Remaining time 10 seconds for our second quarter. Rudy, good for one. Oh, still by Jesse number 12 Gonzales to Jesse number 16. Number 4, basket again. Basket for Jesse number 11. 11, third personal foul, penalty. Remaining time 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Back to back. Is Rudy. Pangalawang tangka, wala. 2 seconds. And the second. December 22. December 22 dribbling the ball. December 22 shot good for two. Jersey number 21 Braga. Jersey number 0 Isaac, but he's still out of bounds. Well United ball. 22 nagbababa ng bola ngayon. Jersey number 22. Nagpapasahan na kita si Felix. Felix for 3! Nuggets. Nagpapababa Jersey number 21 Braga. Braga na yung nagpapababa. Braga to Cristian Estrada. Wow, wala. Franesa nagbababa ng bola. Nagpapasahan. Nakita ni Jersey number 24. Felix.
15 to shoot.
Felix. Oh, starting by Jersey number 16, Rudy. To Jersey number 00, Cristian Estrada for 2 points. Felix. Pass by Jersey number 5. To Jersey number 5. Franesa ngayon. Franesa. Pass to Jersey number 11. Block by Jersey number 16. Rudy by Jersey number 21, Randy Braga. Pass to 0, Isaac. Isaac, umikot. Wow! wala lang. 88 ngayon. 88 agad na papasahan. Nakita si Jose number 22. Jose number 22. Panama foul. Foul on Jose number 0. 0-0, sorry. 0-0. Christian Estrada, right? Foul on Jose number 5. Then, sinyas na kasi 0-0. Sorry, ha? Jose number 24, Felix. Tercio. Oh, now, foul on Jose number 0, blocking foul. 0-0, Isaac. Isaac, that's on Jose number 88. 88, break shot. But blocked by Jose number 5. Nakuha ni Jose number 16, Nalidi. Jose number 16 ngayon. Bilaba ng bola. Cross shot. Pull up. Wala. Ibalik Jose number 24. Pasod. Oh, started by Jose number 0-0, Cristiano Estrada. Cristiano Estrada to Jose number 0. No good. 22 ngayon. 22 to Jose number 11. Marquez. Marquez. Pass to Jose number 8. Traveling. Sub. Jose number 5 out. And Jose number 17 in. Imbag na ba Jose number 16? To Jose number 0. Back to Jose number 16.
6 minutes and 50.
Pass to Jose number... Oh, starting by Jose number 88, Pranesa. To Jose number 11, Marquez. Marquez na yun. Marquez! Oh! Jose number 22, Brada Bambola. To Jose number 11, oh! Nawala. Out of bounds. Time out! Fair United. Remaining time 6 minutes and 17 seconds. This game is brought to you by Chuksugo, ang hari ng padala. Back to the buzzer. Pasok po na, pasok, pasok. Black ball, black ball, black ball, black ball. Out of bounds, black ball. One. Oh, Braga, hinala ka si Braga. Boto wala. 6-3. Rudy. To Cristiano Estrada. Oh. Last touch by Jose number 21. Sabi yan, Gasper, ang daming Chinese sa loob. Uy, uy, uy. Pull up, nawala. Nakuha ni Jose number... Oh. May foul. Foul on Jose number 21. Pushing. Umikot pa lang, umikot. Pag Jose number 5, pag Jose number 20. Iwala na ba Jose number 24? Block by Jose number 5. Iba ba Jose number 13? Pass to Jose number 0-0. Cristiano Estrada. Ibinababa ang bola. Cristian. To 16. Rudy fake. Oh.
Last 5 minutes.
United ball. Mike, tahimik lang. 17 to 24. Felix. 24. Block by Jose number 5. Cristiano Estrada home. Pass to Jose number 21. Oy, pinasa pa. Ay, talaga naman. Oh, started by just number 16, Ruby. Just number... Oh, still.
Wala na time out.
Wala na time out. Side, position rep. Pasok ang papasok at labas ang lalabas.
Aring time.
Marquez. Oy. Sembo. Nineteen to shoot. Oh, Planesa. Nawala ang bola. Oh, fake. Wala. Pasa pala yun. Good for two. By just number 11, Marquez. Just number 5. Opena. Just number 0-0. Wala, binigay niya sa 23. Pasok niya sa 11. Oy! Kaya makahabol ba? Oy, nahabol. Sana hindi na nakabalik. Rudy. Take. Bump. Wala. Score 40-31. 9.8 by Bisaya Wayok. Martirianos. Tama! Bisaya! Official score 40-33. 7 point lead by Bisaya Wayok.
Shout out, Vivo!
Kung ngayon, go, shoot! Back to the building.
Management ball.
Back ball. Bisaya Wayok 0-0. Oh, the save is 16. Oh, foul. Foul on just number 11. Pushing foul. Just number 11. Right. Running for graduation. Wala pong advantage ang captain ball. Parehas ng kita. First round is just number 16. Good for 1. Alam mo ha? Good ball. Congratulations. December 20.
15 to shoot.
December 22. Oh, nawala ang bola pero nakuha pa rin. Wala, nakuha ni December 0 Isaac. Oy, ikot-ikot, pinasa. Wala, na-steal ang bola. Oy, Braga. Oy, 3 seconds violation. Wala di kumpensa, Bisaya Wayok ba? Wala kumpensa ba? Ay, number 30! Wala! Umibatay na! Aladot! Good for her! Isaac! Bravo! Oy! Bisaya Wayok boy. Sab!
Pasok ang papasok!
Marquez out! Mike!
Bilis, running time! 1
Kami,
minute!
remaining time, 1 minute. and 5 seconds. Buwaga! Wala, hindi naman disibit ulit si Martillano. Martillano pinababa ang bola. Pass to Felix. Felix ngayon, pull up. Wala. Diba balik niya? Felix. Oy, wala. Ang bola. Lokal sa service 16. Rudy. Rudy. Uy. Si Mr. Oy. Good for 2. 17. Nahas. 22. Uy. 25 seconds. Uy, lumakas. Pero binawi ata. Ay, wala pa rin. 15 seconds. Wala pa rin. 10 seconds. 5. Ano pa oras? 0-0, Christian. Passages number 13, Mark. To number 5, Openya, 14, Mazut. To number 7, passages number 0, Isaac, 14. 3 points. December 11, passages number 22. Good for 2. Oh, celebration number 0 again, Isaac. Oh, sumaysip. Good for 2. 24, passages number 11, Marquez. Block location number 5, to number 17. 17 nagkapapabasahan. 17, itinapin ang bola kung number 24. 26, number 24, block. 3 shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. December 5, Bobby Ball. Passages number Mark. Wala na kung December 16. To December 0, Isaac. Good for 2. 22. Alas December 0. 22 ngayon. 22, nag-iisang ikaw. December 22. December 0-0. Christian Estrada. Oh, step back. Good. Estrada, 3 points. Waloy! Ano? Zero again! Wala! Buti nga yan. Set up the play. Passages number 0-0, Isaac for 3. Isaac, 3 points. Timeout. Philly United. Back to the ball game. minutes, 50 seconds on foul. Foul ni Joseph Ochocho, pushing foul. 88, please push foul. Isaac again! Wala. Solo by Isaac. Isaac. Good for you. Push! Now, push, number 0-0, push it. Just number 0-0. Take personal foul. First and foul. Oy, pinaki pa! Okay na, hindi naman sadyay. Ayun! Talaga naman. Nakataba po si Mr. Vivo.
Sira mo garap.
Coach, this is right. All out, coach. Mark, Isaac, Opena, out. Pelicano, Gonzalez, Rocks coming in. Gonzalez! Ayan na! Sinasabi na! 3 points by Gonzalez. Ochocho! Ochocho! Babawi! Hindi! Oh, Braga na yun. Oh, Braga. Oh, Braga. 2 December. Oh. Ayan, Gonzalez. Babat ulit. Ipitira yan. Aba. Ipinasa pa. Ayun yan. Talaga naman.
9 seconds. Shot clock.
Ngayon pa nga, mas pinaganda pa. Mr. Tasper, alam kong puyat ka, pero dito ka muna. 24. Tagalog, mag-usap tayo mamaya ha. Score, 72-39. Franesa na yun. Tugsong silang Britain. Pero Lino, wala. Kalaban.
3
8-8. Sinata kay 17. Berat lah, kau itu. Sampai tanya Sam. Oke, labas yung lalabas sa pasok. Time out. Wala nang time out. Wala na time out yung Phil United. Peligano, pinasa sa kalaban. Number 17 layup, nawala na kuha rin niya.
Sino ba
Okay.
Ano dito kanina? Ha?
Gonzales. Gonzales sa tres. Gonzales, 3 puntos. Felix team, babawi next season.
Gag.